Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to turn off background running apps on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now the first method to turn off the background running apps on your smartphone is to open the recent apps section on your smartphone. Now as you can see there is the option for one active app. Just tap on it. Now from here just stop the app which is running in the background. Just like that. Just tap on stop and tap on done, just like that. Now the second method to turn off the background running apps on your smartphone, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here just scroll down and tap on battery. Now from here just tap on background usage limits. Now from here just make sure you enable this toggle, and once you do that just tap on sleeping apps. And from here, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now from here, just select the apps which you don't want to run in the background. Just like that. And once you select the apps, just tap on add. And this is how you can turn off background running apps on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.